So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I think I just saw a rat go across the floor, but that's okay. Anyways, so I said I was gonna throw this bumper away. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. Link is up in the corner somewhere up there. But anyways, we're getting new brackets on this thing, but it's a different type of bracket. There are actually two brackets that you'll need to get the bumper on. So in my case, there are tabs that are supposed to go here and there, and they broke off. And this whole, let me show you on this side. I tried to glue it back on, it didn't really work. But these things come off. See, just like that. So I have a new pair of these, and they are right here, and they actually have these tabs on them that you can see that the turn signals clip onto. So I didn't have those were broke. So yeah, both sides are broke. It's really easy to replace them. So like me, I talked a lot of smack on this bumper, and now I gotta kind of swallow my pride here. I don't know if that's what the term is, but anyways, I'm gonna just take these off and put the new ones on. It's gonna be a really short video, but it's just kind of teaching you how to take them on, take them off. Start out. I don't know what came on these brackets from the factory, but I'm just gonna go off what I see on this one. So on both sides you have this screw here, and that's one of them got a star head on it. And then up top it's got this plastic clip, and I don't know if that's how they came from the factory, but I'm sure there's gonna be like either two screws or two clips right up here on those. So pop those out, and then this should come off. But for the top on this side, I have these bolts right here that I'm gonna use instead of those plastic clips. That way, they're new, they're not gonna rust, and it's gonna be held on stronger. So that's gonna be good. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Got my screwdriver. If I can do this. I'm doing it one-handed. And done. The bracket's out, and just pop the new ones back in. All right, so we have our new bracket here. This looks like it goes, this says R, so yep, that's how it goes, just like that. Put that new screw in there. Wait a minute. Okay, never mind, we're not done. Where am I? Where am I? Texas. I'm in Texas. It's the name of the freaking channel. I lost my screwdriver. Put in the comments where I left my screwdriver. Where's my screwdriver? That's a star. And the flathead. Okay, found it. Found it, found it, found it. Okay, so that little metal tab you see right there, I'll put an arrow to it. Another rat. Yeah, that you want to take that off and put it on the new bracket, because that's how you screw in the screw. That screw right there. So red arrow. Yeah. Take this off, take this little clip off, and put it on the new one, and then I think you should be good to go. Hey, popped right out. So if you find this right here, what you want to do, hopefully the camera can get this. Okay, the camera is in my mouth, and hopefully you guys can see that. And you just pulls that right there, and you're good to go. Duh. Use the right screwdriver. And looky there, got a solid fit. Okay. Let's see if these bolts fit. These may work, these may not work because of clearance, but this is just test them out. Let's see if it's gonna. Okay, they might be too big for them. Yeah, they're too big. So I will look for some plastic little tab things to put on top of those things. I really thought these were gonna work. I mean, I could drill it, but then if I drill it, and then if the bumper won't seat up to the other bracket, it's not gonna work that good. So I may be lucky, or I may be not lucky. I don't think I'm lucky. To the store. And I got these little tabs, which is exactly what I need. Do I need them all? No. Race car? Yes. Next thing you want to do is get a straight up hammer and hammer in this plastic tab. Hey QuadTip, why doesn't any of your stuff work? I don't know. Woo. All right, with these new plastic tabs in, I'm trying not to get you in the shot. All right, with these new plastic little tab things in, I think they cost me like, I don't know how much they cost. But yeah, with that in there, it should, you're ready to go. I mean, it's snug in there. It ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna just do the other side and I'm gonna end the video, but not yet. I did it again. Again, remove this metal screw thingy. Alright, just put that up there, nice and snug. L for left, or for losing a race. And then you wanna, I mean, you can just go easy and use a drill, which I have. You know, I like the character it adds, you know, like I worked on my car. Like I said, just straight up yeet the plastic tab with the hammer. Oh, perfect. And there you go. That's how you install your new brackets. Ooh, they're gonna fit. Yeah! Yes! All right, but that's for a different video. Thank you guys for sticking around on whatever this was, but that's how you get those new plastic brackets on if they broke. I went to, who did I go to? I went to LMR, just like always. These guys hooked me up. They got these here right on time. I'm not getting paid for this, but they're a good company and you should go check them out. So they helped me out with this bumper. It's gonna work like new. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Like, subscribe, share with your family and everybody else and your co-workers. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.